Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So, we're continuing the reset on this Tidy Tuesday, right? Again, nothing fancy, just real life, right? After the holidays, I always feel like this pull to clear things out, slow things down, and just get the home back to feeling peaceful again. So, this is my space right here. This is my closet. All of my things only are in here, right? So this is where I'm starting. We're going to tackle a few spaces that's been weighing on me today, right? So my closet, look at all of this. Oh my goodness. My closet, the girls' closet, right? The bedrooms, the beauty room is up. It looks like a bomb hit it. Wait till you see it. And I'm going to be putting all my Christmas decor away, and just a little bit of everything is rocking. So, yes, on that. I'm excited. I'm excited to, continue the space. And this is all of my things. This is everything that I own right here. So this is spring, summer, winter, fall. All of the things are in here. All of my shoes, all of my bags is all rocking in here. So it's important for me to have this space, nice, right? So these are all of the things I'm donating, and I'm loving the space. The closets are one of those spaces that quietly get like overwhelmed. Now it's perfect, right? Things pile up, seasons change, even though all my things are in here. But before you know it, nothing feels functional anymore. Look, my perfume's rocking. So the goal here wasn't perfection. It was just creating a little bit of space to breathe in here. The jeans are over here rocking, rolled up, right? A space to get dressed with no stress, right? I'm always talking about stress, and just a space to actually see what I already have in here. And it turned out perfect. I was extremely satisfied with it. So I continued on, right? Went into the girls' room. I'm gonna just give you like a couple, little shots. That's Kara. As soon as I opened, as soon as I opened it, it just started falling out. So here I go with the trash bag again, right? Oh my goodness. But she was very, very helpful. So you'll see me more in here, but I did do the same exact thing in Sydney's room. And yeah, it was needed, right? Let me just say that it was much needed.
Swinging like Natalie Cole, but then out of the blue, who strolls down the boulevard but you? Your place is closer than mine. Why don't we go there and have some more wine? 'Cause life is for living. Let's see where this all might lead. Let's see where this all might lead. Waking up to a brand new day.
So over here in Sydney's room, everything is just nice and neat right now. I went through her closet, her drawers, and I have a green drop set up. Actually, they picked it up this morning. Yes, on that. And it was a total of 6 bags. So extremely happy about that. But doing my makeup brushes. Now, this is one of those tasks like we all put off, but it makes such a difference. Like cleaning my makeup brushes always feels like a smaller act of self-care, right? Because I'm just cleaning them, getting all that bacteria off and all the things, right? It's simple, but it's one of those reset habits that just feel good. It just feels really good once it's done, right? So I like lost like a little bit of the really, really dirty brush footage. I don't know what happened to it. I must have deleted it by mistake, but let me tell you, it was disgusting. It was disgusting, but I got them all cleaned and girl, I am 100% satisfied on that. Yes, it's my travel brushes are in here, all of that. So, yes, on that. And then I just, washing up all the rugs in the bathrooms and everything. But Miss Girl, oh my goodness. When I say a bomb went off again, in my Disney beauty room, it was a whole situation. But this room, it brings me so much joy. But even like the joyful spaces need some editing sometimes, girl. I was really excited to clean up the space, right? My vanity. I'm decluttering it, reorganizing it just a little bit and resetting it so that it feels inspiring again, not so overwhelming. I want this space, I want it to reflect where I am now, not just everything I've collected over time. So, yes, on that. And the girls are getting their hair braided, right? So, Sydney's a pro at this. She loves it. But it was Kara's first time, so I was nervous, I was excited, but the girl's hair, especially Kara, you already see how long it is. When I say the shrinkage is real, oh my goodness, when you look at her braids, this is all of her hair. That's how long it is. It's insane. And she was just happy. She loved it. Yes, on that. So remember, those of you that rock with me on the shopping channel, I hit a couple stores after Christmas sales, and this was one of the things I got. New bedding for the girls, half off at Target. It's the Wicked theme, and it is so, so pretty. And it's just one of the easiest ways for me to refresh the room, right? Is with new bedding. It instantly makes the space feel cleaner, calmer, right? A little more put together, even before everything else is finished, right? And Kara, she's just so good with just keeping her room up. All her ducks are back there, right? The only thing that was missing was the white Emerald City pillow. I think it was still downstairs, but she was just nice and comfortable in her space. I just want the girls to feel cozy and fresh. You know what I mean? That clean slate heading into the new season, right? So yes, on that. Sydney's about to give us some thumbs up real quick.
Yes, to the up. To the
So I'm going to end it with taking down a Christmas decor. It's always bittersweet for me. Like, I love all the magic, right? Me and all the different themes going throughout my house. It's just, I love it so much. But I also love welcoming that quieter, slower. I keep saying slower, that pace back into the home, right? It just, I don't know. It's a whole thing for me. And it always seems like putting it away is a little bit more quicker than me putting it up, right? But this reset, it wasn't about doing everything all at once for me. It was just about making progress, like one space at a time. And I literally was in one space at a time, and it just felt good. Just creating like a home space that supports us, girl, not stress us out. And let me say me out, because I'm doing all the things. So I've just been loving all of this kind of slow down mode, right? And I hope you've been loving it too. So until the next reset, I will see you guys soon. Bye.